How to enable or disable preview pane in File Explorer on Windows 11. For that, on the PC you need to go to the search bar and search for File Explorer. Once the File Explorer opens, you have to open any emails. For example, let's go to desktop and here on the search bar, click on it at the top right corner and search any emails. So let's open this image. Let's come back and here at the top right corner of this page you can see preview. So you need to click on preview. In this way we can easily enable the preview panel in File Explorer on Windows 11. So in order to disable, you can easily click on this disable button of the preview at the top right corner and toggle it off, and you can click on disable preview pane. Let's click on got it, and after that the preview pane in File Explorer on Windows 11 has already been disabled. Or else you can also click on the view if you don't get the option of this preview at the top right corner. So you can click on view and you can click on the preview pane, then it will be able to enable it, or else you can click on view and click on and on this drop down menu box you will find hide preview pane on your page. If you don't find here also no worries, and if you see it you can click on hide preview pane, and from there also you will be able to hide preview pane. Here we are not being able to get that because I already have the preview shortcut here at the top right corner. So from here you can easily get the preview enabled, or when you click on it twice it will be disabled. So in this way you can easily enable or disable preview pane in File Explorer on Windows 11. So I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to hit the like button, press the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.